What if I told you that the biggest debate in Bitcoin today isn't about price? It's about adoption. Some people believe Bitcoin should completely replace banks and governments. Others believe Bitcoin can only reach its full potential if it works with banks, corporations, exchanges, and even governments. Recently, a powerful statement sparked discussion across the crypto world, rejecting Bitcoin's integration with banks, corporations, exchanges, governments, and traditional finance means denying its benefits to 99% of the world and limiting Bitcoin to just 1% of its potential. But is that really true? Let's break it all down. What does this statement mean? The quote suggests one simple idea. Bitcoin will never become a global financial system if it stays isolated. Think about it. Most people already use banks, debit and credit cards, mobile payment apps, stock markets, investment funds. If Bitcoin cannot connect with these systems, then only crypto enthusiasts will use it. That means billions of people may never experience Bitcoin. Bitcoin's original vision. When Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, the goal was clear. Create a decentralized digital currency, a system where people can send money directly to each other without needing banks. This was revolutionary. For the first time, people could own money that no government controlled. Many early Bitcoin supporters believed banks were unnecessary, but over the years, reality changed. Millions of new users entered crypto. Most of them still relied on exchanges, payment apps, and traditional financial services. Why banks still matter? Let's be honest. Banks are deeply connected to everyday life. People receive salaries in bank accounts. Businesses pay employees through banks. Governments collect taxes through banks. If Bitcoin cannot interact with these systems, mass adoption becomes much harder. Imagine your employer wanting to pay you in Bitcoin. Without banking integration, how would taxes, payroll, and accounting work? That's why many companies are building bridges between Bitcoin and traditional finance. How corporations are helping Bitcoin grow. Large companies are also playing an important role. Investment firms now offer Bitcoin exposure. Payment companies allow customers to buy and spend Bitcoin. Public companies have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. These developments increase trust. When major financial institutions participate, more investors feel comfortable entering the market. This creates greater liquidity and wider adoption. The role of governments. Governments have always been controversial in the crypto space. Some people fear regulation. Others believe clear rules actually help Bitcoin grow. Without regulations, large institutions hesitate to invest. Pension funds stay away. Banks avoid offering Bitcoin services. But with sensible regulations, Bitcoin becomes more accessible to ordinary people. The challenge is finding the right balance. Can limit innovation. Too little regulation creates uncertainty. Can Bitcoin reach 99% of the world? Imagine a future where you receive your salary in Bitcoin. You can spend Bitcoin anywhere. Banks safely store Bitcoin. Governments recognize Bitcoin as a legitimate asset. Businesses accept Bitcoin globally. That future would bring Bitcoin to billions of people. Supporters of integration believe this is how Bitcoin reaches its full potential. Critics disagree. They argue Bitcoin should remain completely independent from the traditional financial system. The debate continues. Bitcoin is no longer just an experiment. It has become a global financial asset. The big question now is not whether Bitcoin will survive. It's how it will fit into the world's financial system. Will Bitcoin replace banks? Will banks adopt Bitcoin? Or will both exist together? Only time will tell. What do you think? Should Bitcoin integrate with banks, corporations, and governments? Or should it remain completely independent? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more crypto news, Bitcoin analysis, and blockchain updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.